Hi, good morning all. I want to explain the Python programming language. So, what is the Python? It is a high-level programming language and it is a object-oriented programming language and it is a interpreted programming language. Overall, it is a easy programming language compared to any other programming language. So, Python programming language. So, I will tell the main points. So, it is a high level programming language. High level programming language. And it supports the OOPS concepts. It supports OOPS concepts. Means object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language. And it is a interpreted programming language. It is a interpreted programming language. Programming language. And it is a programmer friendly language. Programmer friendly language. So these are the main points in the Python programming language. So first of all, I want to explain the high level programming language. So high level programming language is a nothing but we can write any programs in the Python file, right? So that is called the high level programming language. So uh, so so for example, this is the Python file, right? So this is the Python file. Uh, I will tell normally. So this is the Python file, right? In that file we can uh, write any Python programs. So that is the high level language. So it converts to low level language. So the high level language understands only the programmers, right? So it is called the programming friendly language. So to convert the high level into the low level language, we use the translators like compilers and interpreter. So the low level language understood only the system. We can't read the humans or users. So only the system. So we can convert to high level into the low level. We use the translators like compilers and interpreter. So compiler is the it is a whole code source code, right? So converts whole source code into the machine level code, all lines at a time, and interpreter is the compiles line by line, so whole code into the line by line. Yeah, I will compiler compiles whole source code in a compile all source code into a one line, whereas the interpreter compiles whole source code line by line. So that is the difference between these two. So in the compiler, we can we can use any examples of the programs like the C, Java, so on. In the interpreter, we can use mainly the Python. Python is the best example for the interpreter, and it supports object-oriented programming language. So the Python also supports the OOPS concept like classes and the objects. Classes and objects. So communicating between the classes and the objects. Like there are the four main pillars of the object-oriented programming, right? So first one is the encapsulation, and next one is abstraction, and next one is polymorphism, and next one is the inheritance. So these are the four main concepts to provide the data security for that Python programming language. And next one is the interpreted programming language. So I have already discussed, right? So in the interpreter, so it supports the interpreter. So it is a programming language, means it is a easy friendly. So it is a easy programming language compared to any other program. It is a simple and easy. So this is called Python programming language. Overview. Next one. Yeah, next one is the I want to discuss the features of the Python. Features of Python. So there are the many features of the Python. So I want to discuss the main points. So first one is the easy to learn. So compared to any other language, Python is the easy programming language. It is a simple and easy to readable syntax. Simple and easy. And next one is the it uses many other like real-time industries like artificial intelligence. We can build the artificial intelligence and data science and GUI applications. Like it uses many software industries like artificial intelligence and data science and GUI applications and web-based applications also. So many platforms we can use this Python programming language easily. Web-based application. Yeah, next one is the So with this Python, we can develop many real-time applications like gaming applications. So it also uses to build many real-time applications like gaming applications or movies. So anything we can build with this language. And next one is a portable language. It is a portable. Portable means we can use this language. Uh, it works on the many OS platforms like different operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac. These are there, right? So it works on different platforms like OS like Windows, Mac, Linux. Differently, we can use with this Python programming language. And next one is the dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed programming language. So dynamically typed programming language means, so in the other programming language, it is a static programming language. For example, C is a static programming language because if you want to declare any data type in the variable, so we can use the data type, right? Like I will say one example in C. Uh, like we can declare the variable like before the int a equals to 10. So in the C we can declare like int, right? So not only int, so any data type we can declare before the variable. So in the Python, whereas in the Python no need to declare any variable, like just we need to assign the data into the variable. So this is called the dynamically typed programming language. So automatically it understands which type of data we can store in the variable. So any data type. So this one of the main feature. And mm, portable, dynamically, simple and easy. So these are the main reasons. So many features. How this is the main features, and it is also a secure programming language. It is also a secure, like it supports the OOPS concept, right? So like OOPS concepts, like access modifiers in the object oriented programming, like, right? Yeah, these are the main features in Python. So next one I want to discuss the uh, variables. Variables. So variable is nothing but it is a like container, so which can store any data like int, float, complex, whichever data we can store in that container and with a specified address, like stores any kind of data or value. So it is called a variable. So for example, uh, so syntax equals to Siddhu. So this is called the variable. So here the name is the variable name. So this one I highlighted the red color, right? This is the variable name. So this is the data. So this is the data. So the data is assigned in that variable. So this is called the variable, and next one is the data types. So data types are nothing but which type of the data we can store in the variable. Which kind of data we can store in a variable. So data stored in a variable, right? But which kind of data? So whether it is a int or float or anything else. So that is called the data type. To know the data type, so which type we can use the type function. The type function is used for the which kind of the data it is says. Mm, like there are the data types in the Python. So one is the numeric data type. Yeah, 1 minute. I will just come. So numeric data types means contains the numbers like int, float, complex. So these are called the numeric data types. And next one is the Boolean. Boolean data types means true or false. Contains either true or false. True means true indicates the 1 and false indicates the 0. And next one is the numeric Boolean set. Set. Set is a, it is a, yeah, next sequence data type. Sequence data type. So in the sequence data type, so list tuples, strings. These are called the sequence data types. Means it is an ordered, so it is a ordered collection of the elements stored in a single variable. So next one is the set. So set is also a sequence of data type, but it is an unordered data type. And next one is the dictionary on mapping data type. In the mapping dictionary, so in the dictionary consists of the key value pairs. So it is like a real-time dictionary. So I will tell one by one each. So these are called data types. So we can use data types regularly, and most important data types in the Python. Yeah. Next one is the numeric data type, right? So numeric data type. So numeric data types consist of the numbers like int, float, complex. So integer consists of the real numbers, like real numbers, right? So whether it is a positive numbers or the negative numbers. So real numbers. I am saying about the int. These are real numbers. Consist of positive or negative. Or negative numbers. Any numbers. For example, 1, 2 or -1. Minus numbers. So these are in int. And next one is the float. Float consists of the, like it is also a numbers. So numbers with decimal values. Numbers with decimal values. Decimal values. Like for example 5.3, 9.4, something else 5.0. So these are called the floating point numbers, float. And next one is the complex. Complex is it is also a numbers consist of the real and imaginary part. So real and imaginary part. Like 2 plus 6j or 2 point like 7j. So here the 2 is the, sorry, 2 plus 7j. So here the 2 is the real and 6 is the imaginary part. So these are called the complex numbers. So these three are numeric data types. And next one is the bool or boolean. It contains the nothing but a true or false. True or false. So true indicates the 1 and false indicates the 0. And next one is the sequence data type. Sequence. So in this sequence I want to discuss the list. List. So I want to discuss the list right now. So list is an ordered data type, and it is a collection of the different data types in a single variable, and it is a yeah, I want to load. It is a ordered data type. It contains different data types. Different data types in a single variable. In a single variable. Any data type we can take store in a single variable. And it allows the duplicates. It allows duplicates. And it supports slicing. Slicing contains indexing, or it allows indexing and indexing. Yeah. So for example, so I will taking a variable like student. In this student there are many information, right? So for example, so Sidhu, this is a string, and mm, this is a integer, this is a boolean, and this is a complex number, this is a tuple. So here we can add any data types in this list. So list is denoted with the square brackets, this one. So this is called the list. So list has many operations like methods, list methods. Uh, so actually it is a mutable. List is a mutable. Mutable means changeable. Means we can like add, delete, update, like any operations. So any operations we can do in a list, performs many operations. Like here also there are list methods. So I want to discuss the methods. Like one is the append. Append is a method. It is used for the adding the element at, at the last. Adding the element at the last in the list. Next one is the extend. Extend is nothing but a, it is also similar to append. So adding the element, but it is a bulk of the elements. Like at a time we can add many elements, like bulk of elements we can add in the list. Like a set more than a one element. Bulk means set not only one item, we can add a bunch of items. So next one is the pop. Pop means we can remove an element. Remove an element. Remove an element by using index. So list contains the index, right? So forward indexing and reverse indexing. So I want to discuss later that. And next one is the remove. So remove is also a pop. So removing an element. Remove an element. Simply remove an element. This time we cannot using the index in the remove. So whether as the pop and remove difference is the, so in the pop we can remove the element by using the index. In the remove, so we can directly remove the element from the list. From the list. And next one is the like index. With the index method we can know the index of the element. We can know the index of the element. So there are many operations. So these are the main operations. So I want to discuss list. It is actually indexing. So I want to discuss that. So indexing in the list. So for example, we can take this example only. So here the student is the variable name, right? So student name, student is the variable here. So in the variable we can add the list. So this is the list, right? We can store the list. So here we can add the integer. So this is the integer, this, sorry, this is the string, this is the string. 5 is an integer, this is a boolean. So complex, and this one is the tuple, right? So here stores in a indexing. So index start from the 0, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can store like this indexing, like starts from 0 to n minus 1. 1 index starts from 0 to n minus 1. So this is the forward indexing actually. This is the forward indexing. Forward indexing. And the list can store also the negative indexing. So negative indexing starts from the minus 1. So it is a reverse direction, like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So like this we can store the element by using the indexing. This is the reverse indexing. Reverse means backward. So in the list, how we can access the element, I will discuss how we can access the element. So main thing, yeah. So we can access the element in the list by using the index only. So for example, student is the list, right? So just we can give the print student of. So which can I access? For example, I want to access the like true, for example. So I will give the index number 2. So like this we can access the element in the list. So 0, 1, 2. So output will be the true. And we can access the reverse indexing also backward. So minus 3. So back we can access the backward indexing also in the list. So here the P is the small p, not a capital P. Now this print is used for the printing the any data. So it simply displays the data, like information, anything. And what can I discuss? So it supports the slicing also. So yeah, I want to discuss the slicing. So slicing is nothing but it is a, like it is a piece of that anything. So a part of the old data, like we are saying, a piece or part of the old data, old information. This is called a slicing. So for example, we can take this example only. Yes. So I want to slice this list. So how we can slice means slicing list. So already we know the indexing, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will discuss this index. For example, yeah, student. Uh, okay, and the syntax is the start. We can give first start and next end. So this is the syntax: starting index and ending index. And if you want optional this one, we can skip this element based on the requirement. Start, end or stop, skip. Yeah, I want to discuss the slicing one example. So student, it is a list name, right? Student of for example, I want the old list. I want this only the 5 and true, right? So 5 and true, so no one else. So 0, 1. So starting index means 1, and we can give the stop, right? Stop. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 to skip. That is optional. So here the 1 means start, right? 1 minute, I will explain now. 1 means start, right? 3 means stop, right? So 3 means stop. So whether we can give stop, so we'll give -1. So stop means -1. For example, uh, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I have displayed the 5 and 2, right? So the output will be 5 and 2. Store in the list. So output. So start means 1, right? So 5 it will print, and up to the true, so is my requirement. So we can give 3, means one increase. Stop means one increase. We can give list like one increase. So I want to show in a practical way. Yeah, this is the list, right? So sorry, this is not single quote, double quotes string. Single quote means character. So double quotes means string. So, always string represents the double quotes only. Single quote means character. So one thing remember. So this is the list, right? So I want to slice this list, right? So print of student 1 3. So right here it prints. So 5 and true. So I want this part only. Yeah. For example, I want to slice from Sidhu to 6 plus 7j. So student of 0. So index always starts from 0, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4 we can give, right? This display, right? So always do you remember this a small trick? Stop always exclude. It will exclude. Start always include. This is a small trick in the list. Stop always exclude. Start always include in the slicing. So if I want this, I will explain another one. So numbers, anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the list, right? So in the numbers, so if I want to print these numbers at a time, so we can give only the print numbers. So it prints. I want comments. So comments is nothing but it is a like it is a explainable logic, and with these comments the compiler ignores this code. So nothing effect in that logic or code. The comments actually this is a yeah. I want to explain the comments. Comments is like a notes to explain the logic. Basically, it explains the code or logic. Uh, or this ignored this ignores by the compiler. So these are called the comments. It explains the logic. uh, if we give comments means after the 1 year we can if you forgot this logic, right? So after the 1 year we can memorize this topic. So yeah, this code of logic is this one. So like this we can use the comments. Yes, so going to the topic, present topic. Mm, mm. So to clear the terminal we can use the clear. So this is the list, right? Print. So here I want to slice the, yeah, up to 10 we should do, or 7, 8, 9, 10. So I want to slice up to the 8. So 1 to 8. So we can give 0 to 8 means 9. So always exclude. So yes, 1 to 9 it is display, right? So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this up to 9 I have give. So here I want to display only the like odd numbers. So print numbers of 0 to 9. Uh, so I can skip the 2. So here 2 means skip. I already explained, right? So skip. Yeah, clear. So here it is display the odd numbers, right? I will comment this. Yeah. So only prints the odd numbers, right? So skip uses this too. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for the explanation for this Python.